Crash 1, 2, 3. Crash. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a drone with me. This is the drone. So today let me unbox this drone and fly it. Inside we have got the manual. Then we have got the accessories and the charger. Next we have the remote controller. Then we have got the drone and mobile holder. Remember, this drone comes with camera, so I'll also be recording some videos with the drone. Now let me just unfold it. On the bottom, as we can see, we have got the on-off slider. So coming to the specification of this drone, it comes with camera, it has got Wi-Fi, then it has auto landing, auto takeoff, auto hover, auto orientation. So it also has got 3 speed controls. It has got 6-axis gyroscope, 6 channels remote control, then it has got LED lights. For the drone, we have got the lithium-ion battery, while for the remote control, we have to buy the battery separately. So we have to insert 4 AA batteries. So this is a very small drone, so which can be folded and it can be carried anywhere. So this has got lots of specification. I actually don't know how to use them. Let's see how it goes. So if you all see, it is actually a toy drone. I actually don't know to fly it. So this is the first time I'm going to try it. Let's get started. Crash 1. Crash 2. Crash 3. Crash 4. Crash 5. Oh no! I know that was really terrible. So currently this is the condition of the drone. As we can see, 2 to 3 blades are actually broken. The screws from this top side also flew off and few scratches on the body. At the bottom, two rubber paddings came out. The build quality is actually excellent. The first mistake I made is by flying the drone in indoor conditions. If you all see, while using the autopilot, I actually lost control of the drone and as a result crashed twice. So after flying it for about 5 times, I have learned a bit about it. So this drone actually costed me about 2000 bucks, and for that money, this is really useful. If you all see, now I have actually got an idea of how to fly a drone. So the battery life for this drone, I guess, is 5 to 10 minutes. After editing for few hours, I actually wanted to fly the drone in outdoor condition and check the camera quality. So I took it outdoor. Okay, first let me install the application. Let me attach my smartphone to the remote. Okay, now let's connect it to the drone Wi-Fi. Now it is connected, and as we can see, the camera works. Okay, now let me take it to outdoor condition and check the video quality. Crash. 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 I actually crashed the drone nearly 20 times. If you all see, a small screw from the left part of the drone actually came out. I actually adjusted it. While trying to fly the drone, it keeps on closing. Crash. Crash. At present, if you all see on left side, the second blade is actually not rotating. So these two are the video samples captured using the drone. So that's it. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more.